Before starting the Tilesafe installation, check all the working surfaces are clean and dry. Once the primer has been thoroughly mixed, it is liberally brushed or rolled onto the surfaces and left to fully dry. The average drying time is about 30 minutes. Firstly, the corners need to be dressed. Carefully cut a strip of joint tape to about 300 mm and fold in half to form a seam. The backing paper must then be cut carefully, ensuring not to cut into the reinforcing tape. Fold in half, halfway through its width. Then fold twice, ensuring the edges are even, and peel the back off the paper. Then place in the corner of the room, pressing firmly until it has bonded to the wall. Then peel the paper from the first front section and press firmly onto the floor. The protection film is then removed, and this operation repeated on the remaining piece, which, once completed, creates a sound overlap joint. The edging strips can then be applied, making sure there's a 75 mm overlap onto the corner section. It may be helpful to cut these strips into short, manageable lengths of about 1 meter each. The second edging strip can then be installed in the same fashion, measuring accurately the 75 mm overlap. Then, once the backing paper has been removed, press firmly until there's a good bond. Once the tape has been applied to all the edges, the remaining floor is fitted with horizontal strips of joint tape, applied to the floor at 1 meter intervals, making a type of grid. These strips are just butted up against the corner strips and rolled out, but at the same time peeling off the backing paper, pressing down as you go to form a strong bond. Once completed, the main roll can be placed against the wall, with the edge butted tightly into the corner of the wall. Unroll whilst peeling back the backing paper, making sure the Tilesafe is evenly bonded to the floor. Check the installation, making sure the area is smooth and flat. The next stage is to cut out the hole for the waste. Cut a cross in the Tilesafe with a sharp knife, and then cut a circle using the knife's edge around the base of the trap. Once this has been removed, the Tilesafe needs to be dressed into the circular channel of the trap. The trap fittings can then be fitted accordingly. The joint compound provided is now applied to all corners and joints around the gully. If you have any pipework that penetrates the membrane, you will need to seal around the pipe using the putty provided. Please note, should any minor damage occur to the Tilesafe membrane during the installation, it can be rectified using the repair putty supplied. The area is now ready for tiling. Once this has been done, the installation of your wet room is complete.